When I was working on the project, I was just about to become a father. And in many ways, I wanted to create an experience about this phenomenon of life through using light as a metaphor. So in the experience, you're a light particle that's coming through the atmosphere into the clouds. It goes down into the water and comes up and is hit by the sun, and then turns into life. My life in the past was very much about being in a certain place at a certain time, and in my own work it was really capturing what was happening in front of me and almost seeing things before they happen in order to be there to take the picture. I feel like now in the future, moving towards more timeless space gives me a whole, like a more expansive experience in life. The Yucatan experience that I've made is based on this book that is analog photography of the Yucatan, which makes the experience here really wonderful. It's the idea of breaking a moment in time to create room for another timeless moment. Yucatan, as some people know and some people don't know, is a direct translation of "I don't know what you're saying." And in many ways, this project is very much about the unknown, about time and space and light, and our experience with those things that we have no idea about.